PJ9545. Her name is Mary Ann A. Pader, 33 years old, single. A high school graduate, she worked in United Arab Emirates for 2 years. This is PJ9545. Will you please introduce yourself?
I, Mary Ann Pader. I live in Bantog Budasa, Narbacan, Ilocos. I am 33 years old and high school graduate. My parents' name are Leticia Pader and Camilo Pader.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
To earn money and to support my family.
As stated in your biodata, you worked in United Arab Emirates for 2 years. What then your duties and responsibilities during that year?
I clean the house, washing clothes, ironing, cooking, and taking care of babies.
You mentioned that you know how to cook. What kind of menu?
Filipino food like adobo, paksiw, sinigang, sir.
Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn, sir.
Can you promise to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, sir.
Are you willing to cut your hair short?
Yes, sir.
Do you have skin allergy?
No, sir.
Any message to your future employer?
My message to my future employer, I hope you will choose me as your domestic helper, and I promise to serve you, to be a responsible, honest, and hardworking